family and friends. It's actually late morning. Had some things to do. So this thing was running this morning when I came in. I checked the temperature. Down here is about 44 degrees, and that's what it was in here. So it's basically recirculating um, air that's in here. I knew this was a bad space. What I think I'm going to have to do is put in a piece of foam board with reflective material on the outside. Find a different candle, because the candles, with the amount of airflow that's going through here, it's just sucking in the air, and it's sucking the air away from the any type of flame. When I started with this, I had 12.64 volts on my battery. Now I have 11.84, so it is using the battery. It used the battery all night. At this rate, it will probably, these will stop around 6 days if I don't get some sun. So it's 44 right now. I'm gonna load up a fire and then finish my lunch, come back after my lunch, and see what kind of temperatures we have. And since this is a new camera, I forgot to turn on my mic yesterday. So I'm just going to show you footage of me building this thing, because I didn't see a little bar going that, says sound. So I assumed that I was getting sound, and I haven't checked out the footage, but there's also this little button here. Oh, it won't do it when I'm recording, but it turns it to black and white. I think it's an IR thing. Maybe I should read the manual. So yeah, my footage is awful from yesterday. So I'm going to do a little bit today. I'm kind of tired. I had to go pick my boy up from work at the flu. He has the flu, and I think I'm getting it. So I want to get this done before it hits me. I did get a flu shot, but hey, that doesn't mean anything. So let me start a fire, and I'll be back. Okay, friends and family, I just started a fire. It didn't take before I went to go have some lunch. So I was inside for 2 hours, and my temperature actually went up 3 degrees. It just went back down 1. So my voltage on my battery here went up over 12 volts. So the sun's like right there. It's charging this battery, which is what we want, and it's running the fans, and the fans aren't taking too much at a time. So I think with this sucking in air, this blowing out air, once I heat this up a little bit, and honestly it was 40 degrees this morning, it's like 39, but it keeps fluctuating. So the temperature in here is all right. It's not, I just started the fire, so I'm gonna let the fire go. It just went to 55. I'm gonna let the fire go and see how long it takes to increase in temperature. As skeptical as I am, this thing works. It doesn't, like today, it didn't work as fast as I wanted it to. It didn't actually start working until after 10:30. Or actually, I was seeing results after 10:30. when the sun was like right there. My panel was like right here. It's actually over a little bit. And right now, like I said, the sun's facing it. So,
I mean, it's working.
yeah, right now I've got this on here. Yeah, it's 11.67 volts. It wasn't even that low this morning. It was like 11.5. So, for me to be pleased, it's going to have to take more testing for me. So, I would knock this out, not do this again. I may just bang that out, bang this one out. Actually, it's just screwed in there. Put a piece of wood over there and just not do this because it goes out. It doesn't have enough air to actually go up. But this, when I lit this one up, it went up a degree. So I don't know if that's the ticket or I'm just burning alcohol. But anyway, God bless you. All right, I'm back. So it's been about a half hour since I started putting the heat into the shop. I just fired up my waste oil burner. I made a little modification that I saw online, and well, it works better. So unfortunately, the wood that I got in here is a little wet, so I'm glad that oil burner, it's very comfortable in here. It's about 60 degrees now. Still 40 outside. So this is hitting at 57. So it is taking some of the air temperature in here and just running it through, circulating it through. And hey, if that's all this thing is, then I'll leave it in the window and circulate the air. I don't care. I don't use my windows anyway. I cover them up because I don't want anybody to see what's in the shop. Not that anything in here is worth taking. That's the way I am. But so just like anything else, you know, you're gonna run into problems. I finally got my oil distribution set up and it started leaking again. So I put some Flex Seal on it and I'm just waiting for the oil to go out of the container. But all right, friends and family, we're pushing 60 degrees out of this thing right now. So we raised it 10 degrees in about an hour and a half. Okay, just by starting a fire. Like I said, I did start my oil burner up and it's working great after a little bit of a modification from one of my viewers. Thank you. Happy Friday. It is Red Shirt Friday, but mine's in the laundry for some reason. So I got blue shirt on. Anyway, family, friends, thank you for watching. Thank you to all my, they call them subs. I'm not into, had run into too many acronyms during the military and where I work. So thanks to my subscribers, thanks to my viewers. Keep the comments coming. I hear you. You know, if there's something you want me to do, I'll do it. If there's something you want me to show you, I will. I'm a jack of all trades. I know just about how to do everything. I didn't say I was good at any of it. I am good at soldering, okay? And I'm good at electronics, repairing stuff. So I'm even better at making stuff. So that's why I made this. Plus, it does do another thing. It does actually condition this battery. It's 2 years old. It'll condition this battery and let it naturally charge and discharge, which is what batteries do. That's their job. That's what they want to do. Anyway, God bless you. Take care. Have a great weekend, and I'll catch you on the flip.